Can an ordinary person become a millionaire without a high-paying job? The answer might surprise you.
Meet Alex. He's 25 years old, working an ordinary office job and earning an average salary. Alex doesn't have wealthy parents, a successful business, or a winning lottery ticket. He's just like millions of people. But every month, Alex makes one small decision that quietly changes his future. He invests $200 every month into a low-cost stock market index fund. For this example, let's assume the investment earns an average annual return of 10% over the long term. The first year isn't exciting. His account barely grows, and most people would probably lose patience. But Alex doesn't stop. Every month, he invests again, no matter what the market is doing. Some years, the market crashes. News headlines scare everyone, and many investors panic. Alex stays calm. Instead of selling, he keeps investing and buys more shares at lower prices. Years pass, and something incredible begins to happen. His investments start growing faster than his monthly contributions. That's the power of compound growth. Your money starts earning money, and those earnings create even more earnings. Imagine planting one tiny seed. At first, nothing seems to happen. Then it slowly becomes a strong tree. Investing works the same way. Growth feels slow in the beginning, but speeds up dramatically over time. By age 45, Alex's portfolio is growing faster than ever before. He never picked winning stocks. He never tried to predict the market. He simply stayed invested. At age 65, Alex opens his investment account and sees something he once thought was impossible. His portfolio has grown to around $1 million through decades of consistent investing. Remember, Alex didn't become rich because he earned more. He became rich because he gave his money enough time to grow. The biggest lesson isn't how much you invest. It's how early you begin and how long you stay invested. If this story inspired you, subscribe for more simple lessons on investing and building long-term wealth.